Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talk Academy. This is your host Jasmine, and today we're learning how to say "can I" in Cantonese. To ask "can I," you say "我可唔可以?我可唔可以? Can I sit here? 我可唔可以坐喺呢度? 我可唔可以坐喺呢度? Can I eat this? 可唔可以食呢個? 可唔可以食呢個? Can I drink water? 可唔可以飲水? 可唔可以飲水? Can I borrow your pen? 可唔可以借你支筆? 可唔可以借你支筆? Can I go outside? 可唔可以出去? 可唔可以出去? Yes, you can. 可以。可以。Yes, you can sit here. 可以坐喺呢度。可以坐喺呢度。No, you can't. 唔可以。唔可以。Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.